So one thing that I've learned is how many miracles God has given to George Washington and his Continental Army. One of them in particular was when he crossed the Delaware. He had his troop and 2 other troops go with him, and the 2 other troops got blocked by ice floe. But the one that he went through just totally was like fine. He didn't run into anything, and no fatalities. And that's just a true God-given miracle.
This week in history, we learned about Alexander the Great and about what a good king he was. He conquered most of the known world at the time, and he wasn't overcome by pride, and he really helped his people.